Good evening, everyone. It's Noah once again, and this is day 9 on the Development Analysis Challenge. So, I'll just go do a quick recap on GU, GBGU, UAU, and CADCHF and EURUSD. Alright, so GBPUSD, on the daily, we see this, or we'll call this a hammer, but then we see the shooting star price, boom, spikes up, gives us a quick rejection, and then goes down back. This is going to more like signaling to us, okay, sells. The bears are about to enter into the market and take control. On the 4 hour, remember I said price is going to come back up to this level right here, give us rejection and then dump down back again. That was what I was anticipating. Now, however, price has come 1, 2, 3, couldn't clearly stay above this level, then dump back down. We couldn't get a daily close above, now dump back down, and then boom, price has just melted. So potentially what I'll be expecting or anticipating, I'm currently now I'm bearish on this pair. So what I'll be expecting is I'm going to be expecting a retest of this level, a retest of 1.2622. Then once we get the retest, then I'll be looking for a sell trade back to the downside, as the case may be right here, right here. This is the Asian session, so there won't be much movement in the market. So this might be my risk reward 1.2622, stop loss 1.2688 or 269, 65 pips stop loss to make roughly 270 pips. All right, so if you can see on the 15 minutes time frame, price is more or less forming. I will call this um, uh, um, double bottom, if you will, but then it's just like a minor reversal. This might now be the catalyst to push price back up to this level, push price back up here or back up into these levels, give us a second touch, then we can now start looking for shorts back to the downside, which is going to be a good trade for us. Maybe this might happen in the London session, then New York session, we can now get the rollover. All right, so next up, CADCHF. All right, CADCHF, I analyzed this on Saturday. So let's see what the market holds. On the weekly, we have this strong bearish engulfing. Price boom takes out the momentum of the previous candle, brings it back down again. On the daily, we see this I'll call this a bullish engulfing pattern. But then this might just be a small retracement, a small pullback. Remember on the CADCHF, I said was expecting price back up here to this level to give us a second touch. Then we can now enter sells after we see candlestick rejection from this level. However, on the daily, we spotted a counter trend. We spotted a trend line, or counter trend line, if you will. The overall trend is still bearish. Spotted a counter trend line. We've seen boom, a breakout, a retest. Potentially, can we get a continuation back down? Time will tell. Time will tell. On the daily, we see that. So on the 4 hour stroke 1 hourly, we also seen a small counter trend line level, which can be good for our entry if you don't want to be conservative. Now, if you want to be risky and want to take risk, you can enter here. Stop loss nice and tight above this level 0.703, as you can see on the 4 hour, on the okay, on the 4 hour we see price thumbs down, goes back up again, we see shooting star, price comes down back again, then boom, goes up again. So there's more or less a lot of indecision that's happening around this region right here. Then if you want, you can draw this level, put it on. If you want to be risky, you can come here, see, okay, 1, 2, 3, a double or triple top formation. Enter your cells right about there. Then your stop loss will be nice and tight, 18 pip stop loss, and take profit. One will be 100 pips down to 0.69113. However, However, if this level is broken, this just destroys the whole bias. So if you want to be safe or to be safe or much more conservative, you can wait for price to break out of this counter trend line. Then you can peacefully enter. Your stop loss will be more or less above this level. Your take profit still remains the same. Take profit 1 right here. Take profit 2 down here. So it just depends on you and how you want to swing it. Alright. Then Euro USD onto Euro USD. Euro USD, yeah, beautiful. Euro USD. Looking at the daily. Alright, looking at the daily, we see. Okay, let's go to the weekly. We see this strongest shooting star right here. Rejects our weekly level 1.1415. Gives us a lower high, so potentially we might see price pull back, relieve itself, dump down back again. On the daily, we closed quite bearish, as you can see, quite bearish. So we can be expecting much more bearish momentum in coming days. Maybe by tomorrow we might see price actually fall down back to 1.10228. All right, so on the 4 hour we can see a head and shoulder pattern. 1, 2, 3 head and shoulder pattern. Now this might be a very good signal for us to go shorts. However, we have to be very careful because price has to find out, first of all, break this structural level or retest. Then is now maybe a clear confirmation for us to go short, and that would be a good bias for us. If you want to be much more conservative, you can wait for price to break out. But if you want to be risky, maybe if price gives us a small pullback up to this level, small pullback up here, then maybe we can take shots from here. Again, stops will be right here above this high, and then our take profit still remains the same level back down 297 pips. So that's it on Euro USD. I'm currently bearish on this pair, bearish on EU, bearish on CADCHF, bearish on GBPUSD. Alright, so that's it on this three pairs. I won't be doing any turbulent analysis today. I'm just going to do a quick recap. So these are potential trade setups for Monday, Tuesday, for Wednesday through Friday. Whichever one plays out, you can take them and then you can enjoy. So thank you very much for staying with me throughout this video. Alright, don't forget to leave a comment, like, and also subscribe. Once again, my name is Noel. Thank you very much and have a nice evening.